How's it going? New gear day again. What I've got here is the newest stove from Pomoly. It's the titanium Traveller. Weighs in at 1.5 kilograms. Now I haven't opened this yet. Thought I'd wait and open this on cam, see what we got in here. Okay, so open it up. We've got foam cube all the way around it. Oh no, straight away I'm impressed with this bag. The bag I had on the T1 Mini, it was sort of like made of paper, but this looks really strong. And the reason it's in a sort of duffel bag like this is this one does not fold. So we got more there. That is smart. Look at that. Got the glass window at the side and the big reveal. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty, Pomoly. Fair play. The legs come out like so. Oh, what a beast. Now there's supposed to be 3 screws on here. So I hope the other one has just fallen in. I haven't forgot to put that on. It's quite strong. It's a little bit bigger than the T1 Mini, which is good. They've got reinforcement on the bottom, keep it all solid. I think this is the chimney. Okay. See, put that knife back inside and I need you again, huh? Right. So if you haven't seen these chimneys before, it rolls widthways like that. When you roll it up, it turns this way and it ends up 2 meters long and weighs hardly anything at all. They are a bit fragile, you've got to be careful with them. What else have we got here? It's all pretty well packaged. I'm not seeing that missing screw, that's a shame. Oh, there it is. Got lucky. Thought it was in there somewhere. Oh, I'm sweltering. The ironic thing is now, this has turned up on the hottest week of the year. But I know, in about 4 months' time now, that I'll be setting this up. This will be in the tent with me, keeping me warm. We'll be back to freezing cold weather again. They've improved the spark arrestor for 2021. The old one was steel. They've upgraded this one to titanium. Well, that does look really smart. A close look at that. It weighs hardly anything. Nice pattern on it as well. I think these fold out to attach your guy lines to. It looks like that anyway. You get cut-proof gloves. Now these are the same ones I had with my old stove. They work really well. And in here, okay, so this might be titanium as well. This is quite lightweight. So I know that with the versions last year, a lot of these bits were stainless steel. I think that's where it was adding the weight. And there was screw screws on there last time. This just looks like it's riveted on, it's welded in place. It's very nice, very nice. So that goes on like so. Use them screws to hold it in place. When the chimney comes over this, it goes around this side. When I first tried it, I put the chimney inside it and it wasn't strong at all. It needs to go on the outside. That's where I made a mistake. Other people might make the same. Comparing this to the T1 Mini, the one I had last year, this is lighter, bigger and stronger. How do they do it? Science. No. So they've taken away the fold-in function. I know for some people this would be a deal breaker because they want to carry it a long way. You think you keep it in this bag, you can store a few extra things in there to keep safe, maybe your first bits of wood. How often do you walk for miles and miles and miles with a hot tent? You just don't. Inside is all riveted in place. It makes it look really cool. There's screws on this glass window, I've noticed. So if something does happen to this, this is fireproof glass, so it should be fine, but if you knock it or something, you could crack it. You could unscrew them to replace it. Same with the front glass. And you've got your vent to control the burn and your damper to slow it down at the back. Everything goes inside. I think I'd recommend putting these in a little bag inside there, because if that bounces against the side, that is going to smash it. There. Legs fold down. Very neat. And very light. Okay, so that is the Pomoly Traveller, and let me know in the comments what you think of that one. Would you prefer to go for a fold-in version, which is slightly heavier but more compact, or go with this and just carry it along with your rucksack? I think this was around £300. Now the steel ones in Britain, you're looking about £200, but then they 8 to 10 kilograms in weight, so a lot heavier than this.